Hi, and welcome to Fiction Kitchen with Juliana at the York County Library. Did you know that with your library card you have access to hundreds of cookbooks? And did you know that some of those cookbooks feature recipes from your favorite fictional worlds? Well, in this series, we're going to look at a few of those recipes and see how they stand up. In this episode, we're going to look at two recipes: Autumn Harvest Cider from the Redwall series, and a Raspberry Cordial from Anne of Green Gables. Both of these recipes can be found in the book A Literary Tea Party by Alison Walsh. Now, let's get to cooking. And there you have it, two delicious drinks from two amazing literary worlds. I think both the drinks met my expectations. The Autumn Harvest Cider was spicy and warm and comforting, while the Raspberry Cordial was sweet and tangy and very refreshing. I think that one was my favorite. Which one was yours? Be sure to join us next time on Fiction Kitchen. And thanks for watching.